Hello everyone, today I got this generator that I'm gonna replace on this. This is the new part. I'm gonna replace it on this Delonghi Magnifica. Taking the top panel off. And this is the part that I'm going to replace. So what you want to do, as I mentioned in all my videos, you want to take a few pictures to make sure you don't mess up. But what we have to do here, we have to take this boiler out. To take the boiler out, what you have to do, you have to check. First of all, we want to make sure if it's the same boiler, and it does look the same. Let me see this piece. Yeah, so it looks like it's going to be an easy install. All what you have to do is basically take those 4 screws out and take the boiler out and relocate the temperature sensor and this hose here and the 2 electrical on this side for the element and the 2 on this side for the switch, micro switch, and pretty much slide the boiler inside and take this one out. So what you want to do, you don't want to take this one off. You just want to take this screw, relocate the sensor and relocate those 2 and take this clip out. Okay, so as I mentioned before, take pictures if you're not sure, but it's pretty easy. 1 connection here, 1 there, 2 here, and then you leave everything as is. You don't and then you have, actually the piston comes with a new O-ring too, so it's awesome. So this is the old piston, and somewhere here there was a crack and it was leaking. So I'm going to replace it with a new piston right there. There is 1 hose here you want to put there, and then you want to secure the 4 bolts and those bushings. Don't forget about them as well. Now, one more thing I want to mention. The new boiler or generator, the way they call it, it didn't come with the O-rings. So what you want to do, you want to relocate the old O-rings if they're in good condition. There's only 1, 2, or if you have a used one, which I might have, I think these guys, you can just put, sorry, it's a new one. I said used, it's a new one. So let's see if it's the same. Yeah, I think those ones would work. But what you want to do, you want to check the size. So take the O-ring from here and see if it's the same size. Obviously it's best to put a new O-ring all the time, but if you don't have a new one, you can use the old ones. They do look the same, so I'm gonna just relocate the O-rings. Now to do that, what you want to do, you want to put the O-ring on this hose, and same on the other side. Now you pretty much, you want to do like, it's all plug and play pretty much. So this piece goes here, this connection goes there. Then this goes under, and you secure it with a clip. This goes on top. You secure it with a clip. So those ones, they all secured. Now what you want to do, you want to put this in place. Okay. Now what you have left to do is to put the electrical. One side will go here. Okay. The other side has to go through here and there. Okay. Now you want to make sure you put the thermostat this way, and then you put the screw back in. And you want to secure it. That's it. So here's my video today. If you guys have any questions, you can comment, like, and subscribe. But this is how you install a boiler or a generator on a Delonghi. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.